The topic my group and I chose is cloning. When we hear the word cloning, we automatically think man-made animals or humans that contain the exact same genes. However, to be completely precise, cloning can refer to other things as well. As stated earlier, it does refer to the creation of new individuals that have the exact same genome as a donor individual, but may differ in age by years. This type of process is called whole organism cloning. Other types of cloning involve just cloning an individual's tissues, organs, or genes. Cloning is of interest for many reasons. One is that it can be used to grow replacement tissues and organs for patients that need transplants, and many patients die from regular transplants that are donated from other individuals because of tissue rejection. With cloning, this can be avoided. Another reason of interest that is further explained later is the cloning of animals for human food supply.
In China, the current state of knowledge seems to be very limited, especially when it comes to the public. Mr. Su says, clone technology is already around us, it's just that not everybody knows about it yet. This is despite the fact that the first animal cloned successfully was a sheep in Scotland over 20 years ago. Since then, Chinese scientists have cloned cows and pigs, but have limited such activities to strictly experimental purposes. The project has also been met with an overwhelming amount of controversy. Online comments have included "crazy evil," "please feed the clone beef to leaders first," and China has become a major biotech research lab and the Chinese are the test subjects. It is no wonder citizens are skeptical about the quality and safety of their food after such scandals like the melamine-tainted baby formula and recycled gutter oil. Others are also worried about a plant that will be producing livestock for mass consumption being built on the site of a nuclear explosion that killed 173 people last August. They fear it will only compound an already complicated issue. Also, the project has been clouded by controversy over the South Korean head partner, Dr. Huang. It was discovered that Huang fabricated research on a previous project in which he claimed to use cloning on human embryos and extract stem cells.
Although cloning has been around for 20 years, the practice is still controversial. One of the issues pertaining to the cloning is that of the welfare of the animals, as well as if the cloned product is safe to eat. In 2008, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, also known as the FDA, ruled that the food from cloned animals is in fact safe to eat. If all goes well with the development of cloning technologies, the world's biggest cloning center will open next year. It's northeastern China. A South Korean company expects to churn out up to 1 million beef cattle embryos a year. Once completed, the $500 million project will contain a research lab, gene bank, and museum. Although there is skepticism around cloning technology, Mr. Zhu notes that the process is like pouring a glass of orange juice into another empty glass, meaning the cloned entity will be identical to the original. Due to China's high cost of grains, this innovative cloning can be used as a means of helping China's economy and will reduce the amount of reliance China has on imports for beef production and processing.